Magnetic Destoner for green gram mung bean. Jaykrishna Magnetics Pvt Limited is the most trusted manufacturer of magnetic separator called Magnetic Destoner. Recently we have conducted a trial of our Magnetic Destoner to remove iron impurities from green gram mung bean. In this video, you can see a very fine separation process of mud balls, black stone, and other paramagnetic impurities from the green gram. As you see, our Magnetic Destoner is highly efficient to remove impurities from green gram. We have high-intensity magnets in our Magnetic Destoner for excellent separation process. Green gram which is separated from the impurities. Impurities which are removed after the separation process. Our Magnetic Destoner is the most advanced magnetic separator in the market. To know more about our Magnetic Destoner, visit our website www.magnetic.com.